What's good, gang? It's your boy Two-Time Moto, and we back with another video, gang. I'm not gonna do too much talking this video. I'm gonna let some music play up in the background, let you guys enjoy these car vids, these car pictures. I greatly appreciate y'all sending those over. If it didn't make it, yo, make sure y'all send them again next time. This time, send them to my email. I was having a little trouble getting those car videos and car pictures off of Instagram, so if you can send it over to my email down below, that would greatly help me out. I had a lot of trouble getting a lot of people car videos and car content and pictures off of the Instagram app. So if y'all can send it to my email, I would greatly appreciate it. It will be featured in the next upload. But without further ado, guys, I'm not gonna be doing a lot of talking this rim here. So you guys just enjoy the cars, enjoy the music playing in the background. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all sub, tap that bell notification. Let's get started.
On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this is 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage as they sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going.
Alright, gang, that concludes this video, man. There was definitely some dope cars in this video. I appreciate all y'all that sent those car videos and clips over. Man, I definitely enjoyed putting this one out. Way better than the first one when I was talking the whole time. I even played this video back, and this one definitely took the cake to me, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. If y'all like this one or if y'all like the first one when I was talking. I definitely like this one a lot better when I can add music to y'all clips, man. It seems like it brings the cars to life, and y'all get to sit back and enjoy. If y'all want to pause the video to see a car, or if y'all want to let it play through with the music playing in the background, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Make sure y'all smash that sub. Tap that bell notification for future uploads, man. Thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. 2Time Moto TV out, and until next time, peace.